going to show you how to capture a screenshot on a Chromebook. A screenshot is basically just a picture of your screen. You can do this with a simple keyboard shortcut. A keyboard shortcut is a combination of keys on your keyboard when pressed together will make the computer perform an action. In this case, what you'll be doing is pressing the Control button and then that button above the 6. That will take a picture of your entire screen. Now, sometimes you don't want to take a picture of your entire screen. You just want a small area of your screen, perhaps a drawing that you made, a small portion of a website, a small portion of text. To do that, you can do a similar keyboard shortcut. Control, Shift, and a small button above the 6 again. Let's take a look at these in action and see exactly what happens. So, what I'm going to do now is press the Control and that button above the 6. What you see is a small window pop up down in your lower right-hand side. Now there's two things that you can do here. The first thing you can do is copy it to your clipboard. Now this is copying it and then being able to paste it into a document using the Control-V keyboard shortcut. And so that's if you're currently working on a document and need to take a screenshot of something on your screen and insert it into your document. Now if you're not working in the document, it also saves it in a folder. So you can click on Show in Folder to see where it's located. You'll see that mine are located in the Downloads area, and it's Screenshot. So I can take that screenshot right there and put it into a new folder. I can share it. I can open it. There's lots of different things I can do with it. I'm going to leave it right there, and we're going to go to the next one. Now let's say I want to capture just a small region of my screen. I press the Control, Shift, and the button above the 6. Let's see what happens when I do that. You'll notice the screen dimmed down a little bit, and my pointer, which I now have located by the E, has turned into a plus sign. This tool allows you to select the region that you want to take a picture of. To do that, what you have to do is figure out what you're doing. Well, I'm going to take just a screenshot of the letter Q here. I'm going to put my plus sign in the corner area. I'm going to click and drag, similar to making a text box or a drawing. When I release it, that picture appears in my lower right-hand corner and allows me again to copy it to my clipboard. It also puts it in my folder for use later.